Right, well, the floor's turned up, so in the spirit of Christmas, I'm going to unbox it and we'll take a look. Well, way too eager to get that out. But yeah, looks like there's a whole bunch of good parts. I'm sure I'm going to be quite familiar with these dudes once we're done. Well, that was more of a struggle than it needed to be. However, we have prevailed, and there is the front half. So yeah, I think that was one of the last left-hand drive front half floor pans that I could find. That being said, I'm pretty happy with that. Quality looks pretty good. Definitely going to make a big difference to the car. So let's just spin you around and let's just offer it up and see how it looks. All right, cool. great. This is gonna work out just fine. That there, I've got 2 quarters for the back that can be cleaned up and are straight enough, and just get them blasted and primed, and I've pretty much got the whole floor. So I think what I will start doing in the new year, when I get some time, which will be a lot of the time because I've got a lot of spare time right now in between gigs, is I will start taking out all the spot welds of the floor, so that this can go back to Henry and Ricky and Ben, and their team can put in the floor for us, which will be a huge step forward. Yeah, I'm really happy about that. That's great. Super pumped that I did that. And I was a little bit concerned about the pedal area under here, basically here where the master cylinder, well, with the master, not the master cylinder, the brake cylinder comes out, because I wasn't sure that was kind of up to it. But if we look here, that whole bit is there, so it's just a case of taking that bracket out for the pedal assembly and putting it on here. But yeah, that's all beyond my abilities, clearly. But I can do the grunt work and get it prepped. So yeah, stoked. Awesome. Not bad for a Christmas unboxing. And continuing the theme of unboxing, I got another treat in the mail. So let's crack this one open too. Not really going to get a chance to do this easily, so I'll just do it now and then post it up for you guys while we're all kicking about, enjoying ourselves for Christmas. So yeah, a couple of Solexes. They need a rebuild, but they're complete. Let's get a closer look. So yeah, pretty crusty, but definitely serviceable. They were super affordable. Don't mind the Fiat parts, they're for somebody else. Yeah, so yeah, that is great. These will be a perfect fit for what I have in store. So we're here at BOC in Seaview to pick up the welder. Yeah, should be all good, hoping so. I'm not sure if I can film in the shop, but I'll just roll in anyway, and they'll either tell me off or they'll be cool with it. So yeah, let's get at it. Also, Greg Bellis, bro, thank you. What can I say? I'm absolutely speechless. You've always been a GC, but you've come through clutch and helped me out with getting this welder. Massive respect, bro. Yeah, that offer for you to take the car for a hoon when you get back to New Zealand sometime is a standing offer, and I live in your pocket. Live in your pocket, totally. So yeah, bro, thank you. Amazing. That was a short trip. There's been a bit of a stuff up in the delivery, and I paid for it. I went to another branch. That branch has all gone on holiday. They've tried to refund the money so that I can come into the Seaview branch and pick it up. It's ordered, it's mine. I paid for it, and then they tried to refund the money, but because it's Christmas time, the refund is pending and everyone's away, so they can't give it to me without me buying it again. And then waiting for the refund, which isn't really an option right now, but that's okay. What am I going to do? Get angry at them and tell them to go jump in the sea? That's not the way forward, and these guys have been nice enough, and it's not their fault. So yeah, I am just going to push on and go do some other jobs that I've got, and hopefully in the new year we'll have that welder, and then I can weld up the bracing in the cabin, and then the floor I can start trying to unpick all the spot welds and undo all the spot welds, and then I can go about getting the floor sorted, which will be a huge milestone. So yeah, Greg, thanks again, bro. It's happening. I'm just the victim of circumstance. Yeah, so that's the last post for this year, unless I kind of come up with some other cool stuff that I see that relates to the car. I'm going to get away from all this noisy industrial business and go do some other jobs. So yeah, thanks for all the new subscribers. Thanks for everybody leaving comments and tips and you know, advice on how to do things. I need all the help I can get, but man, I am so happy about this floor. The floor's amazing. The bit that I was kind of concerned about was the pedal area. I wasn't sure if the new floor had the pedal area kind of dialed in, and it totally does. Like, I mean, what a great press that floor is, you know, like it's out of a, yeah, it's legit. I couldn't be happier, actually. That's an amazing piece to kind of really get me along. Yeah, so just stay tuned. Really appreciate all the support and help, and all of you guys and girls watching along. That's amazing. And you know, who knows where I'll be come May, because that'll mark the 1 year of having the car in my hands. And man, I can just about sort of feel how close we are to getting the body sorted, because once the body's sorted, it's just a case of new bushings and new bearings and cleaning things up. And you know what, I know it's never going to be perfect. I know it's never going to be exactly how it should be from the factory, and do you know what, I'm going to daily it, so it's going to get knocks, it's going to get scratches, it's going to get road rash, chips, you name it, it's going to take it. And that's fine. It doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to be a nice place to be, and it has to work, and it's just going to be a cruiser and something dope that anyone that looks at it will be like, you know what, that's a cool piece. And that's what I want. So, you know, watch this space, because it's about to get really exciting. So yeah, thank you.